So amazing today on the 28th of July 2003 years. Mannerheimintie, Mannerheimin 76. And the side of this is normally snackad Hummergatan 2. The stake is D here. I filmed the stake as A, B and A before here. And the basement floor is open here. It was built in the beginning of 1979. But I'm not sure if A and B were built in 1978 maybe, but could be actually.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So the symbol is VS5468, turning 45 years old in the next year, 2024, with 6% faster. It will be inspected this year in 2023. No memory here, but it's needless.
Yeah.
I love the sounds and the smell in here.
Same.
And the capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams.
Ispittiin by liftinstituutet, me eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
You turn the light, yeah. And look at it's still original.
Yeah.
Despite they're having a big renovation.
Yeah.
But unfortunately in the staircase A they had replaced the cab buttons to generic buttons in the cab.
Yeah.
A lot of explosion. Thanks for watching.
That's